how to make specific group notifications vibrate long on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make specific group notifications vibrate long on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find this one. Select any group you want, like this one here, and then click on group profile. And now just click this one, custom notifications, and here you will find this one, vibrate. Click on it and make it long. And now just go back, it will be saved, and that's how to make it long. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.